Clara's got the wind in her hair, the salt in her soul, a picture of home, folded and old. She smiles at the horizon like a promise she's been shown. Her heart's a compass, but loves her home. Sailing with Clara, she bends the rules. She teaches the fearful to trust they're not fools. Her laughter's a wave that lifts up the world. Sailing with Clara, we find who we are. Drags her family on deck, a reluctant crew. Pack light, she says, take hope with you. The sea's her classroom, the sky her truth. Every rising tide says life starts new. With every gust she whispers, try. The ocean roars, let go, not why. Sailing with Clara, she bends the rules. She teaches the fearful to trust they're not fools. Her laughter's a wave that lifts up the world. Sailing with Clara, gather scars like shells in her hands, stories of storms that taught her to stand. Her voice a melody, her spirit a light, showing the lost hearts their way through the night.
Yeah, you are.
You having fun? Yeah, just riding with Dad.